Ho ho ho! There's something so magical about baking a Christmas tree sourdough bread, don't you think? Not only does it smell amazing, but it's also a beautiful centerpiece for your holiday gatherings. And today, I'm excited to take you through the process of creating this stunning bread, from folding technique, scoring to the beautiful Christmas tree. Now that our dough has undergone 5 hours autolysis and initial mixing, it's time to strengthen its structure and develop its gluten network through a technique called coil folding. To begin, we gently lift a portion of the dough from the side of the Tupperware. Notice how the dough stretches slightly as we do this. Next, we fold the stretched dough over itself, creating a layer effect. Then we turn the Tupperware 90 degrees and repeat the same steps. Repeat coil fold for 2 to 3 times at intervals of 30 minutes. During the bulk fermentation period, this gentle folding technique strengthens the dough without tearing it, ensuring a well-developed gluten network. After 30 minutes, our dough has reached the desired stage of fermentation after coil fold. It's time to shape it into a classy batard loaf. Dusted with some rice flour, gently turn the dough out onto the flour surface, flipping the Tupperware over onto the flour surface. The dough should naturally release itself. Divide the dough into half, as this dough can make 2 long batard shapes. Use your hands to lift top side of the dough, stretching it slightly from outside over the center, tucking the edges underneath into the middle and roll into the ball shape. Now here's the secret, the Tai-Chi technique. Use your hands, gently push the dough outward, then pull it back toward you in a smooth circular motion. Think of this like practicing Tai Chi. Gently control movements to create tension on the surface of the dough. Notice how the dough naturally rounds itself as you guide it. This motion helps tighten the outer skin, which is key for a good structure during baking. After 30 minutes resting on the workbench. Now let's do final shaping. Handle it with care to preserve the air bubbles inside. Shaping is key to structure and oven spring. We will start by flattening a little dough into rectangle. Next, fold the top edge toward the center and press slightly to seal. This helps create tension in the dough. Now, roll the dough tightly, sealing the edges as you go. This ensures a smooth surface and great shaping during proofing. Place the dough seam side up in a Banneton dusted with rice flour. This keeps the dough from sticking and creates a beautiful proofing texture. Now comes the fun part, scoring our dough with a festive Christmas tree design. Dust the top with veggie green powder for a vibrant green contrast and also looks like a little mousse, similar to Christmas tree texture. Or alternatively, you can replace it with matcha powder. However, it tastes a little bit bitter if you use matcha powder. Use a thread or twine to draw the Christmas tree. Draw 4 diagonal lines and 1 straight line in between the diagonal lines to represent Christmas tree. Now use a razor plate or UFO plate to score. Add diagonal cuts on each side for branches. Be confident with your scoring to ensure the design opens beautifully as it bakes. Have fun with it. This is your bread's personality. And do a deeper score with all these diagonal lines. That is for the Christmas tree to open up. Last, to use scissors to cut it the little triangle shapes across the diagonal line like a Christmas tree. It's very tricky, and between the lines, make sure that you do 2 different opposite directions as well. Send them into the oven and using steaming method for oven baking. After 35 minutes, that is our Christmas tree sourdough bread. Remove the beauties from the oven. Look at that festive beauty. The scoring has opened up perfectly to reveal our Christmas tree. You can also use the candy or sprinkles to represent the Christmas bauble. Let's listen to the bread crust. Slice through the crust of our festive sourdough loaf. The crust is a gorgeous deep golden brown, with a score Christmas tree design proudly standing out, adding a festive charm. Inside, the crumb reveals itself like a masterpiece, airy and open, with irregular holes scattered throughout, a sign of perfect fermentation and expert shape. The texture is soft and pillowy, with just enough structure to hold its form while remaining tender to the bite. The surprise lies in the hint of sweetness infused by this green vegetable powder. To my surprise, once baked, its subtle earthiness transforms into a delicate sweetness that balances the sourdough natural tang. Give it a try rather than using matcha green powder. Well, it's an unexpected flavor twist that elevates our sourdough loaf, which not only looks great, but also tastes wonderful. Impress your guests this holiday season with this festive sourdough bread. It's not just bread, it's the work of art. So, have you ever thought sourdough could be more than just bread? Well, get ready because we are reimagining sourdough in ways that will inspire and excite you. Check out the link or go to hankery.com/masterclass to sign up for more. Imagine sourdough not just as something delicious to eat, but as an edible canvas for creativity. Sourdough reimagined. Hurry up, getting our baking kits to start up your sourdough bread journey. Recap the steps to do this sourdough design, or go to hankery.com for print out recipes. Make sure you check out the sourdough discard recipe playlist. The links is in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you miss a single tutorial. See you soon and Merry Christmas!